Hey everyone, it is time for our Get Hoppy, Tara's must-have. We have our amazing egg hunt and of course our olive flutter pattern, and we have three great must-haves. We're gonna start here with our 2-quart beautiful limited edition egg hunt bowl. I have to say, this is so stunning. The rope detail that runs around the edges, the eggs painted on the outside as well as the inside, and then look how adorable all of the bunnies are that are attached to the side of that bowl. This one with his sweet ears pointed backwards, this one pointed up, and then look at the sweet one looking like at its little mommy. So cute. I'm gonna spin this right around because I wanna show you all of the detail. No matter which way you're looking at this bowl, it truly is a beautiful work of art. And it's our great stoneware. It's functional. The only thing you're not going to want to do with this bowl is put it in the oven, but you can still use it to display. You can still put it in the fridge. As a matter of fact, I'll get to that in just a minute and I'll show you what we can do with that. Then we also have our platter. So we talked about Get Hoppy must have, but we also have olive flutter. So we have your egg hunt. Look at that with the sweet little bunny right there in the center. So again, beautiful 14-inch serving platter. And then we have your olive flutter, and that's gonna have your beautiful lime greens and pinks and purples. Look at the silhouette on this, absolutely stunning. This goes in the oven up to 500 degrees, the dishwasher, the fridge, the freezer, and of course the microwave. And then last but not least, we have of course our beautiful color morphing lanterns that you see here that are just absolutely stunning. This is actually a canvas material, and this is that faux wood look. You have a color morph, you have a 6-hour timer. So once you turn that on, you'll subtly see the color morphing. Absolutely beautiful egg hunt, and of course we also have it in that beautiful olive flutter. They both have that white antiquing there, absolutely stunning. You could hang them if you wanted to, or you could just kind of sit them wherever you want. Love the fact that it has a 6-hour timer. You can turn it on. It comes on at the same time every night, but I promised you we were going to put some of this stoneware to work. So let me head over to the stove first because I want to show you that serving platter. I could actually tuck that under the broiler if I wanted to bring it out, which is fantastic, but look at how beautiful. Can you bake a pizza or a flatbread on your fine china? Probably not, but here you can. Look at how that crust got so nice and crispy, yet everything else delicately blended right on top. That's the performance when you're cooking with Temp-tations. Whether you have a 7-layer dip or you want to keep cold things colder longer, I love the fact that I can come right out of the fridge with this kale salad that I have in my bunny bowl. Look how fun. And these guys actually work as little handles to take things in and out. So whether you're picking up the bunny bowl, whether you're picking up the serving platter, or you want to check out the lantern, why don't you follow me? I'm going to show you exactly what this lantern looks like when the lights are out. So now that I've turned the lights down, look how these pieces come to life. These gorgeous lanterns with all of that color morphing really truly add a sparkle to every corner of your home, whether you're putting it on the mantle, whether you're putting it on the sideboard. I love the fact that it has the timer so it can greet you every evening at the same time. Look how beautiful the eggs are. You can really truly see all of those complementary colors working with all of those beautiful eggs. And then next door to that, you have the whimsy, of course, of our olive flutter, those beautiful butterflies in all of those gorgeous pastel colors. And truly it looks like stars in the sky. It's just so beautiful. These came out absolutely amazing. So whether you want to pick this one up or the other must-haves that we've showed you, where can you find them? Well, you can head on over to temp-tations.com and shop the 3 of our Be Hoppy must-haves.